Welcome to Lakeland Community College. I'm President Morris Beveridge, and I'd like to invite you to tour the college in this virtual format and learn more about what Lakeland can offer to you. Lakeland Community College is unique, as it is the first college in the state of Ohio that was created by the vote of the people. Those enlightened voters knew well the value of having an educated populace and how that would positively impact the region. So, from humble beginnings in a few rooms of a Paynesville city office, to today where we are located on a 400-acre campus with 11 buildings, the college's journey has been a remarkable one. Lakeland offers a gateway to a brighter future for those bringing the heart and determination to unleash their potential. The college is fully accredited by the Higher Learning Commission, and we offer over 130 degrees and certificates. This means our high-quality academics provides a vital pipeline of skilled employees to the regional workforce. It also means that students seeking four-year degrees can complete the first 2 years of classes at Lakeland, knowing their credits can transfer seamlessly to any state college or university in Ohio, all the while saving thousands of dollars. Lakeland also serves as a center for information, resources, and entertainment. The college offers symposiums, lectures, training programs, a large library, the Hive Makerspace, and a robust arts programs consisting of concerts, gallery shows, and theater productions, all easily accessible to members of the community. For over 50 years, Lakeland Community College has been shining a guiding light of opportunity. While recent events have provided unique challenges, we're focused and committed to thinking and acting anew while continuing to fulfill our mission to provide quality learning opportunities that meet the social and economic needs of our community. We warmly invite you to explore Lakeland as you consider your learning options.